Stay Grubiyanama children, welcome to online class.
Today's topics chapter 13 surface areas and volumes. For in this chapter we are going to learn about only three-dimensional shapes. What is meant by three-dimensional shape? It consists of length, breadth and height. For cube, cuboid, right circular cylinder, right circular cone and sphere, hemisphere. So Csa, that is curved surface area of cuboid. We have to consider only curved surface area. Don't consider top and bottom. So 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of cuboid, including top area and bottom area. So formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then volume means base area into height. What is base area? LB. What is height? H. So LBH. Then cube. Cube means all sides are equal. So length, breadth, height, everything are equal. A. So what is the curved surface area of cube? Only curved surface. Don't consider top area and bottom area. So 4a square, 4a square. Then total surface area means including top and bottom. Already for a square, here is a square, here is a square, 6a square. Then volume means length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height, everything are equal in cube. So a into a cube. Next one, right circular cylinder. So what is the curved surface area of cylinder? What is the base here? 2 pi r, including height 2 pi. Here Csa of means that is perimeter. Perimeter 2 pi r, then height is h. So 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area means including top and bottom. So 2 pi r into h plus r. Next one, volume means base area into height. What is the base area here? Circle pi r square. Height is h. So pi r square h. Next one, right circular cone, pi r l. So what is the r here represents radius, l represents slant height, h represents height, that is a perpendicular line. Next, total surface area pi r into l plus r. Cone of that volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next one, sphere. Sphere. So Csa will not come for sphere because it's look like a ball. So okay, you will have to find out only total surface area and volume. Total surface area 4 pi r square. Here height is also represent only radius. Then 4 by 3 pi r cube for volume. Next one, hemisphere, half of the sphere. So we can find out that Csa of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Then next one, total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. That is base as well as height will be considered r. So 3 pi r square. Next one, volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here unit of measurements of area will represent square units. Unit of measurements of volume we will represent cubic. Area we will represent the unit is square. Then volume we will represent the unit is cubic units. Exercise 13.1 First question. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. Determine first one, the area of sheet required for making the box. Second one, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost is 20 rupees. First we have to find out how many area required for the sheet. So before you write it, what is given? L is equal to 1.5 meter. L means represent length. So next one, wide. What is meant by wide means is a breadth. So B equal to 1.25 meter. Next one, deep. Deep means height. H is equal to 65 centimeter. Now you check length, breadth is given unit meter, but height alone is given centimeter. You should convert it into a meter. So 0.65 meter. So height is equal to 0.65 meter. First submission, area of the sheet required. Area of the sheet required equal to lateral surface area plus base area. What is the lateral surface area of cuboid? 2h into L plus B. What is the base area? LB. We have to substitute the values. 2 into what is height here? 0.65. What is length? 1.5. Breadth is 1.25 plus L into B. So 1.5 into 1.25. We have to multiply. 65 into 2 ordinary multiply you do it. After that we will put decimal. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 30. After decimal, 2 places that. So you have to put after decimal. So 1.3 should come. Next one, 1.5 plus 1.25. 1.5 plus 1.25 we have to. Here you put 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. So next one, 2.75. Then plus next one, 1.5 into 1.25. That is 125. 15 you consider. Multiply. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12, remaining 1. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Next 1 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 5, 7, 8, 1. After decimal, here you check 1, 2, 3. 3 places you have to put decimal after decimal. So 1.875. Next is 13 into 275 you multiply. At last we will put decimals. So 275 you consider, 13 you consider. So 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 22, remaining 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. So 5, 7. Here is 15, remaining 1, 3. After decimal, 1, 2, 3. So you put decimal. So 3.575 plus 1.875. We have to add this one. 1.875. Here is 0. 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, remaining 1. 14 plus 1, 15, remaining 1. Here is 10, 14, remaining 1, 5. So 5.450 meters square. So now I got that area. Next I have to find out what is the cost of the sheet requiring. We have to find out. Second subdivision. Therefore, cost of 1 meter square is given. Rupees 20. But how many area we have? How many meter square we have? 5.45. Therefore, cost of 5.45 meter square equal to 5.45 into 20. So again we have to multiply 545 into 2 ordinary multiply. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 5 2s are 10. Then here one more 0 is add one more 0. After that we have to put decimal. How many places? 2 places. So if you are putting 0, 0, 0 we cancel. Which is equal to rupees 109. Therefore the cost of sheet required equal to rupees 109. Second sum, the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of a room and the ceiling at the rate rupees 7.50 per meter square. They ask cost of whitewashing walls of a room as well as ceiling. Before we have to find out area of the room ceiling. So we have to write what is given. L is equal to 5 meter and breadth is equal to B for 4 meter, then height equal to 3 meter. We have to find out the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls equal to, we know that formula, 2H into L plus B. So 2 into, what is height here? 3. Length is 5, breadth is 4. Then 2 3s are 6, 5 plus 4 9. Then 6 nines are 54 meters square. Now I got area of the four walls. Next we have to find out ceiling. Area of ceiling. Ceiling is look like a rectangle shape. So what is the area of rectangle? LB. Length is 5, breadth is 4. Equal to 20 meters square. So here what question is, find the cost of whitewashing wall as well as ceiling. So we have to find out total area of wall and the ceiling. Total area of wall, walls of the room and the ceiling equal to 54 plus 20 equal to 74 meters square. They ask the cost also. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 1 meter square equal to rupees 7.50. So, but how many area we have? 74. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 74 meters square equal to 74 into 7.50. Let us you take 75 into 74 multiply, ordinary multiply we have to do 75 into 74, 7 5s are 20, remaining 2, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 2 30, 7 5s are 35, remaining 3, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52. So here 0, 5, 5, 5. So here 5550. Then here one more zero is we have to take. But after decimal two places then we have to put after decimal. So 0, 0 will cancel. Therefore rupees 555. Therefore the cost of the whitewashing the walls of your room as well as ceiling equal to rupees 555. Question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000. Find the height of the hall. What is given? Rectangular area perimeter is given. So perimeter equal to 250 meter. So the hall is look like a rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B equal to 250. Then if the cost of painting of the four walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000. So we have to find out what is the area of four walls. So area of four walls equal to, what the cost is given? 15,000 is divided by per meter square is 10. So 0 0 will cancel, 1500 meter square. Therefore the area of four walls 1500 meter square. So we know that formula. What is the area of four walls? 2h into L plus B equal to 1500. So 2 into L plus B is given. What is 2 into L plus B? 250. So height we do know. H is equal to 1500. Therefore H is equal to 1500 by 250. 0, 0 will cancel. If you are using 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 50, here on 0. Again 5 table, 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. So H is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, height of the room, height of the hall equal to 6 meter. Sum number 5. A cubical box has each edge 10 cm. Another cuboidal box size 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter height. So first subdivision, which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? Second one, which box has smaller total surface area and by how much? So we have to find out lateral surface area Q and Q bar, which area is greater and what is the difference. Second one, we have to find out the total surface area Q and Q bar, which area is smaller than what is the difference that one. So first one, first subdivision, we have to find out lateral surface area cube and Q bar. So cube. What is the edges given? A, that is A equal to 10 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cube. Lateral, so LSA, lateral surface area of cube equal to, we know that formula 4a square. Then 4 into a is 10. So 10 square. 10 square is 100. 100 into 4, 400 centimeter square. Next we have to find out lateral surface area of cube bar. So before we have to write what is the length, breadth, height of that cube bar. So L is equal to cuboidal box. L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Then breadth is equal to, that is B is equal to 10 centimeter. Then height is equal to 8 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cuboid 2H into L plus B. Then 2 into H is 8, B is 12.5 plus, sorry, L is 12.5, B is 10. Then 2 8s are 16, 12.5 plus 10, 22.5. So we have to multiply 22.5, that is 225, you take it, multiply by 16. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Here 0, here 0, remaining 1, 6, 3. After one decimal, we have to put decimal point. So answer 360 centimeter square. But what question we ask? Which greater lateral surface area of these two boxes? Here cube is 400, cube bar is 360. So we know that cuboidal box has greater area. Therefore, cubical box has greater lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. And they ask by how much. We have to find out difference also. So difference between the two boxes, 400 minus 360 equal to 40 centimeter square. Therefore difference between the two boxes, 40 centimeter square. Second subdivision, we have to find out total surface area of cube and cube bar. So cube A equal to, that is edge is equal to 10 centimeter. So total surface area of cube equal to 6a square. Then 6 into 10 square. 10 square is 100. 100 into 6, 600 centimeter square. Next we have to find out total surface area cuboidal box. Cuboidal box. L is equal to 12.5, B equal to centimeter, 10 centimeter, then height is equal to 8 centimeter. Total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL formula. Now we have to substitute the values. 2 into, what is LB? 12.5 into 10 plus BH 10 into 8 plus HL 8 into 12.5. Then 2 into 12.5 into 10, 125 plus 8 into 10, 80 plus 125. Let us you take 125 into 8,000. After one decimal, if you are removing, 100 will come. Then 2 into here 100 plus 80 plus 125. Here is 5. Here is 0 remaining 1 3. So 305. So if you are multiply by 2 table, 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6 centimeter square. So 610. Total surface area of Cuba. Total surface area of cube is 600. So what question they ask? Which area is smaller they ask. Now if you are comparing cubical box size, smaller area. So cubical box as smaller lateral, sorry, total smaller total surface area. And how much? So we have to find out difference also. So difference 610 minus 600 is equal to 10 centimeter square. Therefore, difference between the total surface area of the two boxes is 10 centimeter square. Sum number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. First subdivision, what is the area of the glass? Second one, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So the indoor greenhouse herbarium means it look like a then one cuboid box. So we have to find out area of the glass means total surface area of that glass. So first we have to write what is length, breadth, height is given here. So first subdivision L equal to long 30 centimeter. Then breadth B is equal to that is wide 25 centimeter. Then height equal to 25 centimeter. So what the first subdivision? Area of the glass, that is total surface area of the glass. Area of the glass. So formula 2 into LB plus BH plus H. So 2 into L is 30 into B is 25 plus B is 25 into H is also 25 plus H is 25 into L is 30. So next step 2 into just you multiply 25 into 3 75. Here one 0 is there, you can add 0. We know that one 25 into 25 625 plus 25 into 3 75. You can add 1 0. Now you have to add all that one 750 625 then 750. So here is 5 12 remaining 1. Here is 7 8 12 14 14 plus 17 there 7 that is equal to 4 21. So 2 into 2125. We have to multiply by 2 table. Here 5 twos are 10, remaining 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is equal to 4250 centimeter square area required. Next question in second subdivision. Then how much of tape is needed for the 12 edges? So what are the 12 edges here represents? 4 length, 4 breadth, that 4 height. So okay, so we have to find out the required tape. Therefore, the tape needed for all 12 edges. That is equal to 4 length plus 4 breadth plus 4 height. You can take 4 outside, so remaining length plus breadth plus height. Then 4 into length is 30, breadth is 25, then height is also 25. If we are adding 4 into 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 30, that is equal to for 80. Then 4 into 8, 32. Here on 0, 0. So 320 centimeter length of tab is needed.